Hi guys, welcome back to another new video, and today's video is very special. If you want to make money on Amazon, like recommending the product, it's called Amazon affiliate program, as you know that. So in this tutorial I will show you step by step how we can make money on Amazon and using Pinterest and AI video. So this is my Pinterest account, and you can see these are the AI videos that I generated, and I am just creating this channel for making for affiliate commission. Okay, so if you are a student and if you want to make money on Amazon, so this video for you. Okay, so I will show you each and every part. That's mean first of all you need a Pinterest account. All right, so you can create your Pinterest account. It's very simple. Just set up a complete account and optimize your account. Just set a logo, and you can edit your all the things, like you can add your website as well as. Okay, and here you can see monthly views. That's really important, monthly views. Okay, so as a beginner, maybe your views is would be really low, so don't worry at all, it will increase day by day. Okay, so first thing first, just set up your Pinterest account. All right guys, and make sure you are using a business account. So what is business account? So click on here, you will see the business hub. Perfect. Okay, and just analyze this account. You have to find out the trending topic. So I will show you very interesting thing, that you can find a trending topic. That's mean you can search on Amazon and you can promote this kind of video. Okay, so just visit your pinterest.com business/hub, and it will come up with different trending topics. Okay, and then we will use of ChatGPT to create the script for the video, and I will show you how we can create free tutorial. That's mean the free video for your product promotion video. It's completely free. You don't have to spend any single money. Okay guys, all right, and scroll down, you will find the find your audience on Pinterest. You can see this is the ages interest across Pinterest, and you can see view audience inside, also view trends. This is the trend, like get inspired by growing trends in the United States, hairstyles, and the happy Mother's Day and graduation nails. Okay, so click on view trends. All right, and you will find the different trendings. So why we should focus on trending topic? Because if you really want to make money, so definitely you have to follow the trend. And this is the Pinterest trend section, and make sure that United States. Okay, also you can click your country like Canada, Italy, Spain, okay, France, India. All right, and here you can see discover trends in the United States. The keywords most important. Okay, these are the keywords that are really trending right now. So you can export and you can analyze this. Also you can use ChatGPT to analyze this kind of keywords. Here you can see graduation cap design, also graduation party ideas. So these are the keywords that are really trending right now. So click on graduation nails. So let's say we have selected this keyword graduation nails. Okay, that's why we want to create a video. We want to find the product. Also we want to create a video about there. Okay, here you can see this is the trading section. Here you can see these are the trending right now. So you can see the graph is on every single day how many audience they are searching this. Okay, here you can see, that's amazing. And related trends keyword, you can add this keyword into your description. Okay, so you can see this is the female and gender. Also you can see the age between. Okay, so these are the keyword we will want to create a video on that topic. So let's go to ChatGPT and just paste it here, and I've already created many topics. That's mean graduation nails. So it will create a script kind of, because I've already created the formation. Give very specific and exactly prompt that can help you to get a good script over here. Okay, so here you can see the top 5 or 7 nails ideas or details about this. So it was our second step and it's completely done. And third step is we have to create the video. Okay, so all right, so I'm using short.ai. It's a AI tools where you can generate different kind of shorts video. So check out my description below, just sign up and create your short video. Okay, so I'm just going to visit the dashboard. So already I logged in here, so let's copy our script over here. All right, and then click on AI story video. So you can generate different kind of story video over here. Copy the last sentence. This would be our video ending. All right, done, it's done. So click on next. All right, and in this section you have to select the background style. So you can select for Instagram reels video, that's my short video. Also you can select YouTube video. So I'm going to choose a Ghibli style. So you can choose your favorite subtitle style. So I'm going to select, and the next section you have to select your favorite voiceover artist, and it's time to generate the video. So let's click on generate video. Okay, so I'm just using short.ai. Okay, so our video already generated 1 minute 4 seconds 04 seconds. That's amazing, guys. So let's download the video. Click on download over here, and I'm going to play the video, that's so that you can understand what kind of video they are producing. Okay, so let's play the video.
Graduation Nails 2025 are all about celebrating your big achievement with style. Whether you're going for a classy look under your cap and gown or something bold for the after party, here are top graduation nail ideas. A soft nude or blush pink base with metallic tips or rhinestone accents. Timeless and chic. Add sparkle to your day with glitter fading from the tip or cuticle. Silver, gold, or rose gold shine best with any outfit. Give the French manicure a personal touch by using your graduation gown or school colors on the tips. Elegant and bold, matte black nails with gold foil or decals add a classy statement vibe. Get creative with hand-painted or sticker art featuring a graduation cap, scroll, or 2025 design. For a modern glam look, go with pearlized or chrome finishes in white, rose, or champagne tones. Keep most nails simple and add designs to just 1 or 2, like rhinestones, your initials, or mini stars. Choose gel polish or press-ons for longer-lasting results through photos, parties, and handshakes. Match your nails with your outfit, shoes, or makeup for a fully coordinated look. Just let me know. Want help designing a graduation nail mood board or DIY tutorial? Just let me know.
Pin and then select your file. So you can upload images, also you can upload videos. That means single video, single image. Okay, perfect. Okay, here you can see. So give a title over here. So I'm going to, okay, so title is Style Graduation Nails 2025, and you can write a description. So also you can copy paste from ChatGPT that already generated. Okay, and the board also you can select the tags. So click on nails. Okay, also you can add like multiple, like tags 4 or 10. So what else we need? Link. That's really important. So while audience watch this video, and if they are interested to buy or check any product, so this would be the link. So where you can find the link? So just go to Amazon and search your favorite product and then get the link over here. Pretty simple. Also you can add a board like a base product. Perfect. So everything is done. We have videos, title, description, links, board. Okay, perfect. Okay, and click on publish. So if you love this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so I will come back with new tutorials. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.